Have you been struggling to log in into DeepSeek AI, seeing that frustrating error message when you are trying to sign in with Google? Well, you are not alone. A lots of users are facing this issue, and today I will break down exactly why this is happening and what you can do about it. Let's get started. DeepSeek AI has gaining massive popularity recently, and especially with its powerful R1 model. But with great popularity comes with great problems, and one big issue user facing right now is login error caused by the server problem. If you are trying to sign in with using Google, you might have seen this message. Due to large scale malicious attacks on DeepSeek services, registration may be busy. Please wait and try again. Sound frustrating, right? But don't worry, I will explain why this is happening and what you can do about it. Why this is happening? According to DeepSeek AI, their server are facing massive malicious traffic attacks, and this means bot and bad actors are overwhelming the system, making it difficult for real users like you and me to log in DeepSeek AI smoothly. Not just that, but even if you are managed to log in, some users are reporting the issue while the 3 to 5 chattings. Conversion suddenly stops working and DeepSeek AI just won't respond properly. So, what is the solution? The good news is that it instant permanent issue. DeepSeek AI has confirmed that this happens due to high traffic, and the best way to fix is simply wait. First step you can do, wait for 8 to 10 hours and then you can try again. And second step you can do, if it still doesn't work, try again after a day. Third step you can do, try signing in non-peak hours like early morning or late night. Since the issue caused by the traffic overload, waiting and retrying at different time usually it's help for you. DeepSeek AI is a powerful tool, but as its user base grows, these kinds of server issues are bound to happen. If you found this video helpful, make sure hit the like button and subscribe for more updates on AI tools and fixes. Have you faced this issue? Drop down the comment and let me know if DeepSeek AI worked for you after waiting. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.